How to send bulk emails using Mailchimp. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Mailchimp and go to the Campaigns section. Click Create Campaign and choose Email to start sending bulk emails. 2. Select your audience list. If you have multiple lists, choose the one that best fits your campaign. Segment your audience for better targeting. 3. Use Mailchimp's email builder to design your bulk email. Customize it with images, text, and CTA buttons to make it engaging and visually appealing. 4. Personalize the email using merge tags. Adding subscriber names or other details increases open rates and engagement. 5. Set up email automation if needed. Mailchimp allows you to schedule emails or create sequences for better audience interaction. 6. Preview and test the email. Send a test email to yourself to check formatting and ensure everything appears correctly on different devices. 7. Send or schedule your bulk email. Use Mailchimp's analytics to track performance and improve future campaigns based on data insights.